Welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today's tip is one that's easy to overlook, but will improve one of your most important work relationships. Let's start the clock. Protect the boss, also known as protect the CEO, protect the project sponsor, protect the line manager, and so on. When preparing materials to go to a meeting, whether it's an exco, a steerco, or just a team meeting, and you know there's something in the pack that the boss doesn't know about, but impacts them, tell them about it. The more impactful, the more time you need to dedicate to sharing that information with them. If it's a pack that you're creating and the boss is impacted, you should consider getting their approval before you even publish it. You don't want to be in a situation where your boss is caught out looking unprepared, unaware, or embarrassed. But how about if you and your boss don't get along? It's tempting to let them take a few public shots, but it's a poor long-term strategy. You could be improving your relationship here rather than creating distrust. Protect the boss, and whilst you shouldn't expect them to return the favour, maybe someday they will. Okay, your next step is to get more from that relationship, how to operate more like a partner than a servant. So I recommend you check out this video next, and have a great rest of your day.